I've got Subaru too, I promise. We're in fucking Liverpool doing this Red Bull drifting thing, and we're a little stuck at the minute. God, I look so pale, man. The camera's not focusing properly. How do we get in this place? And why is my camera still not focusing? Are we down this one? No. I didn't think it'd be on the docks, that's absolutely mad. Ah, here we go. About time. I like Liverpool. So pretty. I feel so naughty walking on this road. It's like the busiest one in Liverpool.
Talk about difference of horsepower from 1100. A lot of respect to Kawabata. This is not a.
I feel like I'm on Need for Speed Pro Street or something with like the commentary on background. Everyone's looking at me going talking to a camera.
There he is, Lord Marches.
Get on my shoulders.
He's a real Let's begin.
You can't sit, you can't get on my shoulders, babe. You'd have to lose to get on my shoulders, you know.
Oh, with the help of
These kids have got the right idea. Well, there's nowhere for us to climb. Where the fuck are we going to climb? I don't know if we're allowed to be back here. Ah, it's at the pit lane. Oh. Wonder why they do that. Wonder why they get the wheels spinning on jacks. Oh. Thanks, Ellie. These are the guys from Hoonigan. I actually think they are. I think I found a good spot. We're gonna go and try and get on that wall. We're gonna have to. I need some good shots. And I'm not getting any here. It's way too fucking busy.
You can't win in practice here, Donna. Wow, he was by far the driver who asked the most questions throughout the briefings. He was definitely taking on board all of the details and semantics of this course, because already points-wise, he's outstripped everyone. Bum sniffing.
So what it looks like they're doing it, I think they have like... Why is the camera not focusing? So they have like a circuit, and they can like do as many... They can go wherever they want. As long, I think they have a time limit because they're all doing like yellow flags and stuff, and there's like a time limit in the top left. So I think what they're doing is they can basically go around the whole circuit, do as much as they want, go wherever they want, and they've got to get back before the time finishes. But I want to beat these people. Everyone's looking at me like I'm a weirdo talking to a camera, but slightly aroused by this. I think I'm in love with that guy in the 370Z. I think I fancy him a bit, you know, not gonna lie.
He's known to have the P8, and look at that, he got a lot of points there, but had to pick the hiccup there, losing the stake.
Amazing. Sitting on this ledge, I just shit myself. Woo! That's a big drop. Think I do for the vlog. It's like the best game show ever, isn't it? Like they've got little noises going off, like things for the time up, man, time up, pal. Oh my god. Everyone's looking at me like I'm a weirdo, lovely. What the fuck's going on? What the fuck is that?
Right now, it seems like there's a little bit of issues here with the vehicle. Might have a one-wheeler peeler and might be shutting her down. So unfortunately, it seems that might have an issue. Don't know exactly, but
What was wrong with it?
One of the first couple turns there. It is what it is, you know. We're quite brutal on the cars here, so we're we'll see if we can fix it in time.
Broke a drive shaft.
In the business, the best mechanics on the job, so we'll see if we can get back out for the second practice run there.
Hang on, there's a German car coming out. I don't know if there's point filming. I don't know if there's point filming this one. It's fucking earth rumbling! Look at him kicking everyone off. We can't see, like. We can't see.
Might have had an issue there.
I'll tell you what the inside. He's going back out.
It's going to be the German car one that crashes in it, obviously. Obviously.
That is, without question, the most glamorous thing that's ever happened in Swindon.
Deck 5D, this is in conjunction with his team RTR, stands for Ready to Rock. It's Von Gittin Jr. Helping him out and basically Fang and Dan. That was a massive point accumulation.
No one has really cranked that. So big scores for Gaz Whiter already. Another veteran of the drift shifters format, and it shows already 1.6 on the scoreboard. And he's lighting up that truck. Oh, snagged it though.
Gets into a little tussle there with that front bumper, and underneath the Undertaker, looks like it's a little forgiving for him as it bounces right back into place.
And he just sets up. There's that tail. There. There's the combo, and he's going for another taste.
He is scratching back bumpers, does not care, both front and back.
2 licks of the lollipop on the George's Dock wall ride. Interesting there. I think that was his 3rd pass through the Pierhead wall ride.
It really hurts. Like this.
So yeah, we're going to see Joachim, Matt Carter,
Coffin dodges.
as well as Fang and Dan Woolhouse. Those are the 4 drivers.
Beautiful style. It was absolutely square as he passed under the truck there. Then he lets it swing through and comes out on the other side.
This is where Mike really wants to wreck it.
Dodges the yellow submarine and back to the Undertaker. He's already had 2 passes on this though.
So
cranking up.
2.1 million. Now around, like you said, he's really spent a lot of time here. 20 seconds left.
But he's
Get your head out of the way, mate.
the Pierhead wall ride. He can't go back in there, but he's setting off to the Undertaker.
And look at that, just a lane there. Oh, can he get that cover?
50 seconds left and he's down to Timer to do it. 400,000 out of George's Dock. That is massive. Over 4 million points. And Dado is in charge of qualifying from right now.
That front left does not look. Oh, looks like he's all right. Yeah. Bang it in. Keep it going. We'll see if Vega. Looks like he might be pulling back in. He's trying to go. Looks like he's
The Foray crew, they're working hard on this. One thing they have to get it fixed up quickly.
really tidy around the Undertaker, but I think, okay, there it goes. Don't spend much time there, Gas. He is sending it here down the streets of Liverpool into that George's Dock wall ride. Look at putting the bumper right on those plastic barriers.
Got the 80,000, he couldn't get to 400,000, but he comes back out to the city side and the riverside bumpers. You can hear those playing.
Technique coming to play. He did that on his last run.
Stick it to the wall. Stick it to the wall. Stick it to the wall. Oh, he got the 80,000. Again, he couldn't get the 400,000. So he's used up both of his combos down there. But the points are racking up.
Look, 4.75. He just passed Forceway's score. Looks like Gaz Wider will be our winner here. But let's see if he can get the highest score of the event. 5.5 million with Forceway had on his previous grade 8 run.
Absolutely sending it here.
6 million, that's the way to win the event here at Red Bull Shipshifters. We talked about it, threatened it, there it is. He hasn't even hit that ESO Mobile 1 finish spots. There is your winner, Gaz Wider with a 6.298.
Give that man a round of applause. He saved the very best until last. That was an incredible run. He finished it perfectly. Yes, he dropped the points down at George's Dock, but that was so clean. A masterclass in drifting from Gaz Wider in our final run of the day.
That is the way to do it. You know, leave it all on the track, literally bumper, shrapnel all across the track here at Liverpool. He had to beat a 4.75 of Forrest Wang, and he passed that with still 20 seconds left. He goes into that ESO Mobile 1 box. He puts icing on the cake with a 6.298. Look at that, literally leaving it on the track there, Ed.
So that was George's Dock, and he boxed so clever. Brilliant strategy, just cleaning up these points.
Back to a proper race car. Let me talk to the camera for a minute. I've had to film on my iPhone for the last half of that because my camera died. It died so quick as well. Like, I don't understand what's gone on because it never usually dies that fast. I might just get back to editing and realise I like filmed like 2 hours of footage and I might think, okay, fair enough. But I don't really think I filmed that much. Like, that was fucking amazing. Like, I enjoyed that so much. I'm gonna get back and edit this quickly. So I see Monky London, and we need to be the first to get this video uploaded. So we're literally gonna go home and get this edited ASAP rocket thing. Now I'm so glad I've not got a rear wheel drive car because I would either kill myself or get pulled over on a wheel.